name is Maria, but many people call me Bright Girl. Because of my performance in school, I moved to the camp after the death of my dad. I have always been the apple of my mom's eyes. When I turned 14, I got a scholarship. I used to spend most of my holidays times in school, but due to Corona, I was left with no choice but to come back home to the camp. Surprisingly, I found my mom married in my absence.
Okay, Mario, waad mahadsan tahay.
I was super happy to find someone to call dad.
waxaad u baahan tahay reerkan adaa iska leh. Hore gadaal gacanta farjay. Lugaha meel aad rabto dhigo, gacmaha meel aad rabto dhigo. Gurigaaga way kusoo dhawo, welcome.
My mother was working in the hospital as a cleaner. And she contracted coronavirus. She was then taken to isolation center. My stepdad and I were all left alone at home. My stepdad took advantage of my mom's absence and threatened to kill me and my mother if I don't agree to what he is saying and wanting. The last thing I want to lose is my lovely mom. My mother is everything to me. I devastated and don't know what to do. So I gave in and allowed my stepdad to have his ways. He assaulted the little me many times. A month later, my mom recovered and came back home. She noticed the change in me and asked for what was disturbing. I was feeling the signs of pregnancy. My mom decided to do a home checkup, and I was tested pregnant. Mom was so angry at me and asked who was responsible for that.
Hoy, abshir. Maxaa kugu dhacay? Hoy. Hoy, maxaa kugu dhacay?
I tried to explain everything to my mom, and before I could open my mouth, my stepdad slapped me severely in the face and asked me not to talk, or he will do something bad. My mom became so emotional and started crying. I could not handle my lovely mom crying. I opened up and told my mom what my stepdad had done to me in her absence. Sadly, my mom refused to believe me. She totally refused to believe her very own daughter, who is me, and she also refused to believe the good value she had installed in me. I was thrown out of the house because my mother chose to believe a total stranger than me. I swept and left quietly. My mom was the only reason to live in this lonely world for. I could not stop thinking about the good times I spent with my sweet mom. Now I am a total disgrace to my mother. My mother doesn't want to do anything with me anymore. I was over the edge. I could not bear the denial of my own mother. My mother was the only reason to live for. I was left with nothing but sorrow and thinking of the little angel inside my lovely carved belly and my living soul.